Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the newborn Haggis Pygmy Hippo. Ticker symbol is Haggis. Now this is a very popular meme coin. Right now it's trending number 9 on DEX Screener in the Solana section. Has a gigantic 24-hour trading volume. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing, and we're going to go over the information on the Haggis token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on Solscan, Solana meme coin. You can find the chart on Bird Eye, on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, maybe on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko soon. Now this token was created on pump.fun, a web page for creating Solana meme coins. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. Now, like I said, very popular token, 6,640 holders so far. They have a total supply, looks like it started out with 1 billion. Deflationary token, total supply and circulating supply right now is 999.99 million tokens. Now, they do have a Telegram you can follow at Haggis Community that has 506 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project here. Along with their Twitter right here, we're going to see new partnerships, announcements, token listings, and of course memes, and of course pictures of Haggis the Hippo. 49 tweets so far. Haggis, the Scottish hippo. Now, haggis is like, some Scottish meal that a lot of people, like, just the idea of it is considered gross. It's like a, like a sheep's stomach stuffed with stuff. But yeah, something like that. Anyways, at Haggis the Hippo. And they have here, it says it's from the Edinburgh Zoo. Now, there's another popular token called Moodeng that came out of, about a month or so ago. And that was based off a hippo in the zoo. And, very popular meme coin, had tons of spin-offs. And then now, this is like a newborn hippo. You can see it's a tiny little baby hippo in the picture here. And so this is a very new popular meme coin. Has a link to their Telegram right there. They just joined Twitter in November 2024, 837 followers. And in the pinned tweet, basically, there's like a full link tree of the Telegram contract address, Dex Screener chart, where you're going to find even more links. It says, Edinburgh Zoo is proudly introducing the Haggis token, the rare pygmy hippo. I'm sure this is not actually from the zoo, this token here. This is just somebody created it. And it's got the baby hippo with the hat on, laser eyes in the picture there. And it was just announced that this token will be listed on a central exchange here starting today, November 5th at 7 a.m. UTC time. This token will go live on a central exchange called XT or XT.com. So the XT exchange already listed this token this morning, so it is available now on XT. So one way to get this token would be to download XT from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at xt.com. Then you would fund your account with USDT. go into the trade section and search Haggis, and then simply just buy the token. Now the name of the token is super long. Newborn Haggis Pygmy Hippo. That's quite a lengthy name there. On DEX Screener, there's a quick audit. It's got no issues. It says no mintable tokens. Contract is not freezable. And on DEX Tools, they have another audit by Quick Intel Security. It says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens. Tax is not modifiable and no other risks. But keep in mind, all those are just quick audits. They're not full audits. They don't go over everything. Now, let's say you don't want to use a central exchange or xt.com is not available in your country. You can also get this token off a decentralized exchange like Radium. First of all, you would need a wallet. So you could download a Soulflare wallet, a Phantom wallet, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a wallet on your PC like a Chrome extension. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, you would find Radium, and then trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their DEX Screener chart or their pinned tweet here. Just go to that Twitter right there. And you probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes, but just be aware there is going to be a little bit of gas fees. Now it says website on DEX Screener, but if you click on that, it'll just take you to the HighlandTimes.com news article talking about the background of this baby hippo in the zoo. So you could read all about that. Now, they have a $5.8 million market cap right now. That's also their fully diluted valuation. They are up 81.66% today in the past 24 hours. $392,000 dollars in liquidity in Radium, and according to DEX Screener, 99.93% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is a little bit over half a penny, is 0.0057 USD. And today they've had 100,326 transactions, and they have a 24-hour trading volume of $31.9 million. Pretty crazy here. And this token has already had a community takeover yesterday, November 4th. And this token pair was just created on Radium 1 day, 1 hour ago. So this is a very, very brand new token here. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.